All right,
You're
let's
welcome.
jump to red team. I know I see Kayode and Aisha. All right, over to you, red team.
Yep, I'll share, and Adeni will present.
Okay, red team is not playing today. I see three of you. You guys are not playing. All right, let's go. Folks, give us 10 minutes to be out of here, okay? All right, please go ahead. Make it quick, straight to the point, folks. I don't want to keep you guys. It's midweek, so let's go. Go ahead, please.
Adeni, can you unmute?
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. Can you can you read it up a little bit, sir? Yes, sir. I'm Adini. I'm presenting on behalf of the red team. Um, I'll go by the summary, please. The AI model assessment conducted here, assessment AI model assessment conducted using the CMMI framework reveals significant security and operational gaps across critical domain. With please, can you reduce it a little bit here? With with average of oh I can't see. Yeah, with an overall average score of 1.71 out of 5.0. This
Okay.
currently high model implementation demonstrates substantial vulnerabilities that require immediate attention and strategic remediation. So key concerns, critical vulnerabilities in regular security assessment. That is called 1.00 and threat intelligence integration 1.00. Inadequate access control 1.50 and data private measures 1.50. Insufficient secure deployment configuration 1.50 is called all access domain fall below acceptable maturity threshold 3.0 with the somewhere so far.
Okay.
Immediate
Can
action
you jump?
required
Let's go down. Let's jump to the. I just go. Tell me your top two areas you want to work on.
is critical.
Just
Yeah, we're going on
which.
the critical ones.
Okay. Which ones are those? So we have.
So let's go. Yeah,
Here we go. Uh huh.
yeah, we have critical vulnerability and regular security assessment. 1.00 is called intelligent gap, threat intelligence integration. 1.00 is called access and privacy risk, access
Okay.
control, and
Let's pause,
data
brother. Brother,
privacy is
hold on.
called.
Hold on, brother. Hold on. So what I need you, and this goes to everybody, is that okay? What I need to say is, okay, we have two critical vulnerabilities, right? You tell me. Don't give me the numbers. I can see. Just say, okay, guys. Absence
Okay.
of systematic security evaluation poses severe risk to AI model. So read it from like that. Don't just go to the issue. Let's
Okay.
try it
Though
again.
they've
Yeah.
been, yeah, operational maturity, they've been fair a little bit best performing model vision versioning. So I would like to go to the mitigation steps. So we have two criticals that I'm going to read, and so far mitigation steps that they've taken. Um, Mitigation step establish quarterly, regular security assessment, which is critical. The mitigation step that is taken establish quarterly security assessment schedule. Implement automated vulnerability scanning. Develop security baseline documentation. Then control again, name threat intelligence integration, which is critical as well, and it's short term that we are focusing.
Okay.
Yeah, we made the made mitigation steps so by subscribing to AI threat intelligence feeds, implement CM integration, train security team on AI specific threats.
All right. Got it. I think we're good there. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. All right. Awesome. Okay. Let's take finally, Grasa, you pardon me. Let's take green team, Phoebe and Telma. Let's go real quick. Straight to the point. Then we'll take Grasa, final one. Grasa just boom, straight to the point. Let's go.
I'm going to be
Great.
sharing, and Thelma
Okay.
will be giving the presentation.
Thank you.
So, Thelma, can you see my screen? Nice and big?
Yeah, I can see it. Hi, everyone. So I'll be presenting the AI model assessment report. And in the executive summary, the AI model assessment conducted using the capability maturity model integration for the CMMI framework. And we had like a score of 1.95 out of 5.0. And you can see the scorings are here. The overall average, we had 3 critical risk areas, and we also had the highest score of 3.0 and the lowest score deployment of 1.0. And yeah, summary of the key findings. Yes. So in the critical security gaps, deployment configuration of 1.0 and access controls. Also, we had the model management strength, model version, and integration of 3.0, inconsistent maturity 1.0 to 3.0 as well. And yeah, we also had the foundation layer weakness, operational risk exposure, and improvement trajectory. So in the mitigation and action, we had like the risk level. You can see the critical areas. Sorry. Okay.
Thelma, can you just focus on the first two, the critical
Yeah,
ones for us?
yeah.
Yeah.
So like in the protect, we have the secure deployment configuration, the critical area risk level is critical and the priority is short term. And we also had the mitigation steps. As you can see, we would have the emergency deployment security review, implement container and security scanning, and establish the secure baseline configurations, and also deploy infrastructure as code. And also
Okay.
the second critical risk area is like the protect as well, the access controls, right? And we also have it as short term. And the mitigation steps that we'll have deployed for it would be implement RBAC system, deploy MFA for AI systems, establish privilege access management, and create access review processes as well.
Excellent.
And yeah,
Okay.
back to the strategic recommendations. So yes, emergency security response, immediately address the critical deployment and access control vulnerabilities through the dedicated
All right.
security.
Thelma, we're good with that. Thank you so much, Thelma. All right. Thelma, I think you scammed me. You were pretending like you are shy. Look at you, so ready to jump on so many at the same time. Excellent job. Phoebe, Thelma, thanks, Phoebe, for supporting. That was well done, Thelma. You were scamming me, pretending like you were not good in presenting. That was very good. And some of us did not see that she was trying to bail out on presenting, and look at her presenting so well. You did very good, really. All right, let's go to Graza. Final one, folks. I'll be out of here. Let me say thank you, Vivian, Ayed, Adini, thank you. Inka Blue, thank you. Graza, please go ahead. Kayode, Aisha, thank you. Thelma and Grace, thank you. Final one, Graza, thank you, and we'll be out of here. Thank you for your patience, folks. All right, final one. Straight to the point.
Can you see my screen, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is representing Orange team, presenting our AI model. Am I on mute? Yes, okay. AI model assessment report. From this report, we have 9 domains below the 3.0%. We have 1 with critical risk domain, the access controls priority, and we have 7 in high risk, and then 2 in domains at target. What this report reveals is that the CMMI gives an overall score of 2.19. That's the level 2 maturity for us in terms of our assessments. It means that with this score, the organization operates at a managed maturity level. but shows critical vulnerabilities in access control and several key operational areas. This access control is a critical finding.
Can you jump to the action plan? Just tell us the
Okay.
two critical so we can all bounce.
We have one critical, all the
Okay,
we have
just walk
seven
us
that are
through it real
high.
quick.
The critical is the access controls, and
Okay.
the mitigation is
Yeah, tell us the mitigation. I'll be done.
okay, is to implement the role-based access control with the MFA immediately, to conduct
Okay.
access audit and remove orphaned accounts, to deploy the PAM solution for privileged access, and establish access review workflows.
Thank you so much, Graza. Excellent, everybody. Thank you for your patience. I know we went past a few minutes. Thank you, everybody, and good night. Thank you. Special thanks to Vivian, Adini, Yinka, Alfred, Kayode, Aisha, Thelma, Phoebe, Graza. You all are awesome. Thank you, everybody. See you all on Saturday.
Saturday. Thank you,
Good
thank you,
night,
sir.
everybody. Thank you.